Hi guys, this is part one of functional maths. All that means is they're real life scenarios that you would do in the real world, not behind your desk at school. So the first question is, the jacket costs £48. It is reducing the sale by 25%. Work out the amount of the discount. Now I presume this will be a calculator question. So you're going to use the formula of the original amount all over 100 times whatever the percent is. So following that, our original amount is 48. And we're going to divide that by 100. And we're going to times it by our 25%. Pop that in your calculator and you get £12. So the amount of the discount is £12. Now it asks to work out the sale price of the jacket. Well, that's quite simply a subtraction, isn't it? So the cost of the jacket is originally 48. We're going to subtract the 12, which is a discount. So the sale price is going to be £36. So that question alone is worth 4 marks. And I think that's, a really, really solid 4 marks that you should be able to do. So the next one, £600 is saved in a bank account for 3 years. The bank pays 4% simple interest each year. Work out the interest earned after 3 years. So this is where we're going to just do a little bit of formula again. So we're going to do our percentage and our amount. So we have 600 divided by 100 times 4, which is our percent. Now that gives you £24, okay? So that's £24. But we want to know how much it's earned over 3 years. So it's going to be £24 times 3. So the interest earned over 3 years is £72. Work out the total amount in the account after 3 years. So that was the interest earned. How much is the total amount? Well, it's a plus this time, isn't it? So we're going to do our original amount plus our interest earned, which is 72. So the answer is 672. The 4 marks. Next one. On a map, 1 centimetre represents 5 kilometres. The distance between 2 towns on the map is 8 centimetres. Work out the real distance between the towns. So we've got the real distance here is 8 centimetres. And we know that 1 centimetre equals 5 kilometres. So all you simply need to do is times it. 8 times 5 equals 40 kilometres. That's it. For 2 marks, that's it. How simple is that? So the next one, how far apart would 2 towns be if there were 60 kilometres in real life? So all we're going to do is opposite times here. We're going to divide. So we have 60 kilometres and we're going to divide it by 5. So the answer is 12 centimetres, because we're in centimetres now, because we're working backwards. That's another 2 marks. A car travels 180 kilometres in 3 hours. Work out the average speed of the car. So to do that, we're going to do our little triangle that some people do, but we know it's distance divided by time. So we're going to plug all that in, and we've got our distance, which is 180. Our time is 3. So our answer is going to be 60 kilometres per hour. How long would it take to travel 300 kilometres at the same speed? So now we're using the different formula. We're looking at time. And time equals distance over speed. So our distance is 300, and we're going to divide it by our speed, which we've just worked out at 60. So the answer is 5 hours. And that's it. Those are 4 different types of exam questions using real life scenarios. If you go to my website, this video is on there. Next to the video is a worksheet. The worksheet has new questions on there, similar style, and I've got solutions in there step by step, so you can check your work. It's just about learning formulas and converting. Okay, bye.